I'm going to let you in on the secret tip to cooking the perfect meal on my portable gas cooktop. I'm going to cook some pork fillet, and I love pork fillet. It's so versatile and so lean. I'm going to marinate this pork, make a little slaw, and then cook it on my portable gas cooktop. Now to start with, I've got some light soy, and I've got some garlic in there as well. I'm going to add some lime, squeeze some fresh lime in there, and of course, a pinch of salt. A little twist of pepper to turn it all around, and some extra virgin olive oil. That'll lubricate it so the heat transfers really well from my portable gas cooktop onto my pork fillet. Now all you need to do is grab the marinade like that with the spoon, mix it around a little bit so it's combined nicely, and then pour it straight over the top of the pork fillet. And you can see I've skewered the pork fillet, and here's the tip. When you skewer the pork fillet like this, it's so much easier to turn around and use. All you need to do is make sure your portable gas cooktop is already on about a medium heat. Pop the pork on like this and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Turn it around frequently because we don't want it to burn. Now to go with it, I'm going to do a little oriental slaw. I've got some wombok cabbage, some carrots, some onion, some chili, and a little bit of spring onion. To mix it all together, I'm just going to add some mayonnaise. A good dollop of mayonnaise goes in there, and of course some soy sauce, just to give it that oriental flavour. A few drops of soy sauce in there, and to also flavour it up a little bit more salt. Just a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Give that a bit of a twist. All I need to do is turn the pork, turn this around till it's all mixed together, and in no time, the pork's going to be cooked, and I'll be able to wrap it all up and tuck into it. One of the tricks to cooking pork and keeping it nice and moist is to keep turning it around. You want to sear all the sides of it so it gets a great flavour and stays nice and moist. Now you know when the pork is cooked because it'll be nice and firm, and this pork is cooked beautifully. All I need to do now is grab my coleslaw, pop it onto the wrap here like this. There we go, nice generous amount. And Roman, you want to pop over here? Take the pork, pop it onto the wrap like that, and then pull it straight off. There you go, Roman, there's a wrap for you.
Thank you, Dad.
That's all right. With my portable gas cooktop, I can cook for anyone, anywhere, anytime. For this delicious recipe and more on cooking with gas, go to brighter.com.au.